Want to know how to change your email address in Well-Found or AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website or the application from your web browser. So we have also created similar videos to get help from AngelList or Well-Found, so make sure to watch it. So once you're here on the top right side, you should be seeing this profile right here, just symbols like that, and here you should be seeing settings below cookie preferences, just symbols like settings, and here you should be seeing general. Make sure you are on a general, and here you can just simply see your email that you can just simply change it to anything that you like. So you can just simply select this as well and just simply add your email or change it accordingly, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.